Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Who is that?
Excuse me, sir. Is Johnston Michael
Who is Johnson Michael?
a caliber student in ND1? I'm currently in ND2, so I've met the class 7, so I should come and see you.
Okay, yeah, carry on.
Yeah, that's caliber, sir.
So what do you want me to do?
Sir, I need your help, sir. Need your help, sir.
Which type of help do you need?
I have issues and I need to cross. That is what is driving me back.
That is not a problem, but you have a problem. So, have you bought the textbook?
No, sir.
You're not bought the textbook.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so as a carryover, what you have to do, you have to buy the textbook, and you have to pay the sum of 5,000 naira for the textbook. Respectively, you also register the course. Yes, because you're not succeeding. So the registration is 5,000 naira. It's 5,000 naira. So that's what you will do. And make sure you see the class there for that.
Sir.
Yes.
I heard they did assignment. Class told me about assignment. So, sir, should I do the assignment?
And that is not only an assignment, that is your CA. That is your CA for the semester. That is your CA. That's why I'm taking my CA form. And since my course didn't have any practical. So it's very important. It's very important. So you missed the test, right?
Yes, sir.
So your own is double problem. What do you want me to do again? You have carry over, you missed my test. You show that you're not a serious student. No? What do you want me to do again?
So I really need your help. I need a better grade. Need a better grade,
I
sir.
need a better grade, and yeah, you missed my test. You need a better grade. I will still say it. That is not a problem, but just that you have a problem. So what you will do? Just meet the class rep. You give the way forward. Make sure you come with the assignment tomorrow. If you like, when you're coming, come and see 100.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
All right.